Good morning, students. Chapter 8, Gravitation. Yes, next topic is Gravitational Intensity, or you can say Gravitational Field. Gravitational Field. Okay, what is this gravitational field or intensity? We know universal law of gravitation. Okay? Each and every object in universe attracts another object. Okay, means force is acting between two objects. Force is acting between two objects. But why this force is acting between two objects? What is effect the force is acting? We know if any object from surface of Earth, it is dropped, it is moving towards the center of Earth. But if object is outside Earth, object is outside Earth, okay, in space, and if we drop any object, will it come towards center of Earth? No. So what is reason? What is reason? Okay. Another example I will give. Here, yes, we are thinking about gravitational field, but I will explain you this concept with the help of another field, that is magnetic field. Okay. For example, if you have magnet here, and iron dust, it is at home, then will this magnet attract iron dust which is at home at larger distance? No, obviously no. If magnet is here, iron dust is outside class, will this magnet attract iron dust? No. But if I have magnet here and iron dust close to it, near to it, then obviously this magnet will attract this iron dust. So why? Simple, sir. Initially, iron dust was out of region of magnet. Yes, out of effect of magnet. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So similarly, here, object which are in region of Earth, they are only attracted towards Earth. Another object which are outside of Earth, outside some region of Earth, they are not attracted towards Earth. So what is this region? What is this region, and why this region? What effect is produced in this region? That we will see here. Okay, so see here, gravitational intensity or gravitational field, it is denoted by I. It is denoted by I, means what? The first statement you have to remember, okay, every object having mass produces some effect around it, in some region called gravitational field. Every object having mass produces some effect around it. Okay, if see, it is one object having mass m, so it produces some effect around it. If another object having suppose mass small m is inside this region, then force is acting on it. If it is outside, force will not act on it. So simple. If another object is lying within this field, within the field, force is exerted. Force is acting on it. Okay. If object is outside, having some mass, if object is outside, force is equal to 0. Simple. Force is equal to 0. Clear about this? See, again, every object having some mass produces some effect around it in some region called gravitational field. And if another object is lying in this region, then force is acting on it. If object is lying outside region, then force is not acting on it. Simple. We all are in gravitational field of Earth. We all are in gravitational field of Earth. So if you try to escape, gravitational field will attract you towards center of Earth. Jump, you will feel that. Jump, you will feel that. Okay? Clear? But if object is outside gravitational field of Earth, it is not attractive towards Earth. It is not attractive towards Earth. Clear about this? So what is meaning of field? You have to understand. What is meaning of field? You have to understand. What is its definition? Here I will give you definition of gravitational intensity. Gravitational intensity is defined as gravitational intensity at a point is defined as gravitational force acting due to gravitational force acting at that point per unit mass. So gravitational intensity at a point is defined as gravitational force acting at that point per unit mass. Means how to write in form of equation? I is equal to F upon m. I is equal to F upon m. Gravitational intensity is equal to force per unit mass. Gravitational intensity is equal to force per unit mass. Its unit. Yes, its unit you can write it is Newton per kg. Its unit is Newton per kg. Clear about this? Clear about this? Okay, so yes, it is gravitational intensity. It is gravitational intensity. Okay, now how to find equation of gravitational intensity? We will take some examples. See, for example, it is x, y coordinate system. Here I have one mass, capital M, and due to this capital M, yes, see this first statement. Every object having mass produces some effect around it in some region called gravitational field. Okay, so suppose due to this object some effect is produced in this region, this whole region, and I want to find gravitational intensity at this point, gravitational field at this point, at point P. Okay, so here I will write question. If find gravitational intensity at point P due to mass m. Okay, so first of all I will draw position vector r, distance r. Okay, simple. What you have to do to find gravitational intensity at a point, you have to put here unit mass, means m is equal to 1 kg. M is equal to 1 kg. Simple. M is equal to 1 kg. And you have to find what is force acting on it. You have to find what is force acting on it. So how to find? See, what is equation of force? Yes, equation of force is force acting on point P for mass m. First of all, I am writing equation for mass m. Yes, it is F is equal to G mm upon what is distance between them? It is r square. Now, the important one, take care about this. On this point, forces acting. Gravitational forces attractive. Attractive means towards. Attractive means towards. Attractive means towards. So on this point, forces acting, that is attractive, it is towards, means towards this capital I, means in this direction. And see, this force is acting in opposite direction of position vector. Attractive means what? Towards. On this particular force is acting towards, attractive. So this force is in opposite direction of position vector. Force is in opposite direction of position vector. So here I have to write minus r caret. Do you understand this? Where what is r caret? R caret is unit vector. R caret is unit vector in direction of r. In direction of r. Clear about this? Okay. Position vector is in this direction, but force acting on this object, it is towards this attractive force. So it is minus r caret. Now, what is gravitational intensity? At a point is defined as gravitational force acting at that point per unit mass. Per unit mass means you have to find, take m is equal to so. So therefore, gravitational intensity at point P. Gravitational intensity at point P. I is equal to it is F upon m. So if you make F upon m is subject, then I is equal to F upon m is equal to minus Gm upon r square. So it is equation of gravitational intensity. If you want to write only magnitude, then therefore magnitude of gravitational intensity due to mass m at distance r. That is, I is equal to Gm upon r square. Gm upon r square. Simple. Okay. I is equal to it is Gm upon r square. Due to mass m at distance r, gravitational intensity I is equal to Gm upon r square. Gm upon r square. Clear about this? Okay. So yes, you have to remember that I is gravitational intensity, F is gravitational force, m is mass. Okay. One equation extra, not extra actually. If you make force as subject, then force on mass m, I can write like this: F is equal to Im. F is equal to Im, where I is gravitational intensity, m is mass. M is mass. Clear about this? Okay. It means if it is a point where intensity is I and mass is m, then what is force acting at that point? F is equal to Im. F is equal to Im. Clear about this? Okay. So again we will revise theory. Yes. Force is acting, gravitational force is acting between two objects. But why? Because due to one, gravitational field is produced and another is within field. That's why force is acting. If other object is outside field, force is not acting, like Wi-Fi. If you are within range, Wi-Fi is connected. If you are out of range, it is not connected. Okay. So every object having mass produces some effect around it in some region called gravitational field. If another object is lying within the field, force is acting, otherwise not. It is definition, it is equation, it is one piece. Clear about this? So it is gravitational intensity that you have to remember. Similar topic we will see in 12th for electric field. Yes, similar theory, electric field. The same writing, only some change of words. Okay, gravitational field, electric field. Every object having charge produces some effect around it in some region called electric field, like this. Okay, so take care about this theory. Okay? Clear? This is it for today.